driving long distance because before cell phones, that was the longest that I went uninterrupted. And so I was talking with Chuck Powell, my songwriter friend from Colorado. He said, "You write all your songs while you're driving?" I said, "Yeah." He said, "Hank, that makes your songs autobiographical." I'd never thought of that before. That was a good point. But,
I like it.
anyway, when I wrote the song for Kit, I hadn't actually met Kit yet, but I was imagining I was going to meet the right woman, and I wrote this song for her. I just come off a terrible breakup, a relationship that didn't work out. Turned out we only had two things in common. Both of us were in love with her, and neither of us liked me very much at all. So I took a break from that one. I said, it's kind of like the Field of Dreams. If you write this song, she'll show up. So I wrote this song, didn't even know who Kit was, and then this woman popped in and joined my life. So it's her song now. I drove these earthbound wheels on the southbound highway, Seattle down to Santa Fe. I've been thinking about you, so I sent you this postcard from a truck stop on the way. Here's a hug for Rock, here's a kiss for Annie. Say hi to the rest of the crew. I couldn't think what to say besides have a nice day. You know I kinda like you. Hey, I kind of like you. Now don't you go thinking this is some kind of love song. I don't write those anymore. I got my heart busted by someone I trusted. She gave it back, broken and sore. Now when love seems near, I steer clear. I say I'm just passing through. I don't fall in love anymore, but I kinda like you. Hey, I kinda like you. Da-da-dum, da-da-dum, da-da-da-da-da-dum. That was a fiddle solo. I don't fall in love anymore, but I kinda like you. Hey, I kinda like you. My friends tell me someday I'll find the right one. I just tell them they're crazy, 'cause if I ever laid this old heart down again, I swear it won't come easy. She'd have to be someone who's gentle and kind. She'd be heartful and true. She'd have music in her voice. She'd have magic in her eyes. She'd be kinda like